Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you are doing well. So today we are unboxing another sneaker from our collection. So this time the sneaker that we are unboxing is from Guess. So here you go. Sorry for the box. It comes like that. So here you can see a white decent box with the model number of the sneaker, and from the back also it's plain white. So a white box with Guess logo and Guess written on the top of the box. Let's unbox our today's sneaker from Guess. Let's keep the box aside. So here you go. You can see a very beautiful navy blue and somewhat bluish gray in color, plus some gray leather that has been used on the side of the sneaker. So here you can see the material that they used is suede plus nylon that has been used, and the leather straps which they have used to write Guess Los Angeles. And not only that, the laces are in dark gray color, and plus a metal on the laces with a Guess logo. As you can see here, the Guess is written on the metal plate. So a very beautiful design sneaker. The design and the pattern of the sneaker is somewhat similar to the one we showed in our last video of Puma, from our Puma collection. However, the material and the quality is somewhat a little better than the Puma one. So as you can see inside as well, they have used leather, while in the Puma we seen that it was cloth material. So as you can see here, the insole they have also used leather and Guess is written, as well as from the outer they used suede material, leather. As you can see, the Guess logo as well on the back. On the sole you can see a triangular design for a perfect grip. It's a leather material that has been used on this Guess sneaker. So the pattern of the outer sole is very unique, and the design of the outer sole is also somewhat unique than the other sneakers. A metal plate that has been used, and you can see here Guess Los Angeles has been written in black color on a navy blue nylon material. So a very beautiful sneaker as well. You can see the other pair, a side by side look. From the back, a very unique design. So a very beautiful Guess sneaker in our collection. Hope you like it. So until next time with another collection of a sneaker, take care. Bye bye.